exceptions. This is really going to be the meat and potatoes for patient resupply going forward. Since TIMS is planned to handle almost all the other aspects of patient resupply automatically, this is where your staff's going to be doing most of their work, even if there is a lot less of it. On the main dashboard, you can see that the left side is dedicated to exceptions. We have two main sets, urgent items displayed in red, and everything else that was caught in the overnight qual checks that you still have time on in blue. Urgent review and overdue items are what you're going to want to take care of first. Those items are either A, overdue, which is self-explanatory, or B, they fall under urgent review. If an upcoming subscription order is in the Ready for Delivery tab, but then fails one or more of the qual checks during the order creation, it'll get flagged here, as well as in its corresponding qual checks tab. Beyond that, you have holds for account status, eligibility, utilization, documentation, payer authorization, and lastly, pending confirmations. If you watched our other video on overnight qual checks, you'll know what you're getting from each and every one of those tabs. But here, from the dashboard, we can see something else. We can get an overview of how the business is running as a whole. Each tab is marked with a number, displaying how many patients were stopped in that qual check for that reason. We can also compare those numbers to the right side of the dashboard, which lets us know how many are good to go. By looking at these numbers from a top-down perspective, we can look at the health of our system. Maybe we can see that we're bottlenecking in documentation and can investigate where that inefficiency is coming into. Or, ideally, when we compare the ready-to-go numbers with our exceptions, we find that we're running a well-oiled machine.